Yeah, bitch, watch how you talk to me. You cannot sit with me, you cannot walk with me. Look at my diamonds, look how they shine, they dripping right off of me. Designer, it's all on me. I'm the real deal and you bitches is wannabes.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's the official R, the one and only, back on a YouTube video. Today I'll be doing something crazy. I just thought of it. September has not been my month. A lot of stuff bad been happening to me, so you know, like, it's hard. Do not get the flu shot. Do not, you heard it from me, do not get the flu shot. I'm just gonna be doing something really crazy. Just do something out the regular. So bad, like, look at my eyelashes, y'all. I got two different size hoops. Eyebrows dark as hell. And like, I just look a mess. I'm gonna like put some white stuff on my lips and make my lips look weird and white. But y'all, I'm just gonna be looking crazy on Monkey and see if I can pull dudes while still looking crazy, like bummy. Like, it's not like the ugly makeup challenge. It's like, I was trying to upload for you guys last week. That video did not turn out right, bro. Actually, y'all, I'm just gonna like, I already told you, I'm gonna put like what, toothpaste on my mouth or like something white around my lip to like, I don't know, because I don't want to put no red lipstick because that's not gonna be like a good reaction. I don't know, y'all. I just want it to look out of the ordinary, you know? And put these glasses on and just do something crazy. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna start. Okay. What the? They might come for me. I look so ugly. Ew. Like, I'm supposed to act like I don't know I look bad. Cause you know, there is some girls out here that do their eyebrows this bad and this long and do like have crazy lipstick. And they think they look like the cutest thing alive. Hello, Cyrus. You're so cute, Cyrus. So like, you wanna talk about it or what?
Here, ask some time. I have a question.
Yeah.
Okay, so I got really behind and wrote a song, and the chorus I think is good, but I don't know. Can you tell me?
Yeah.
Like, okay, it goes like this.
Hey, nigga, I don't want to hear that anymore. Ooh, Jamari, you mouth cute. Where did I put it at? Hello?
You said what?
I said you're cute. Take my compliment because you're not cute, but take it. I don't do big guys, you know. That's just how I am. Like, I need something that's kind of like my. So I'm getting dodged. So I should start asking dudes like, would they date me? Like, I'm not putting myself. I'm not gonna get embarrassed like that. I'm not. It's like, nah, cause it's Hey Jojo, hey Jojo, hey Jojo. My screen keep moving. This white stuff looks so nasty, bro. Oh, he finna John me. Oh, he finna. Oh, you're so cute.
You killed it.
Are you lying to me?
No, nothing.
Oh. Hey, are you lying to me? He said, no, never. I'm just playing. No, because the reason why I don't like doing this mess because there be some cute niggas on here. And I would look a mess like, ooh, what's up with you, Tyler? Can I be your girlfriend? Wow, didn't know what he said, but cute guys on here, and I look like crazy day 21 in here. Cause I look crazy like I look crazy like, see, they hang up. Yes, it's just a lot of people are not really accepting me for who I am. You know, it's hard.
You're a bad bitch. Don't forget that.
Thank you so much. Like, it's hard. Like, when you look this good, it's hard. Like, it's like, nah. I'm finna act bougie on everything. I'm finna act bougie because y'all not finna take my kindness for granted.
Hey, you know, you for sure gonna give me a sugar rush, baby.
What's up with you? You my cute.
said what?
You my cute. Like, what you wanna do? Like,
Hey, yeah, yeah, baby, swear to God, what you want?
I'm blushing.
You too.
You said what?
You cute.
You cuter. Like, what's up?
You trying to add me on Instagram or something?
For sure.
I'm gonna send you my name after this call.
Okay. Okay. So we have 1 down. 10 more to go. Probably. So I'm feeling better. Nobody can tell me nothing now. Oh, you cute as hell. No, because he really is cute. Like.
Follow me back.
I couldn't do it.
That motherfucker was hard.
No, you one stupid girl if you think I'm finna. Y'all dumb as hell. Y'all think I'm finna put my face in the camera after I just saw his face? For him to curve me up? Try again, baby. Try again. You cute as hell. Like, why are you laughing at me? What's up?
Bro, I'm not laughing at you.
You not laughing? Okay, well, it feels like it. What's the problem? Okay, then. Like, Tyro, pipe down. You're kind of chubby. Like, don't play with me.
What it do, baby?
If y'all enjoyed this video so far, please subscribe. But that was funny, though. Like, I just couldn't. I'm so sick of him. Like, that might be my nigga. Like, that might be my husband. Like, no, don't go. Man! Oh, I'm tired of being ugly. I'm finna snap back, baby. The next, comment down below what other monkey video y'all want to see, for real. Because I want to know what y'all want to see from me, for real. Hey, Brian, you're so cute. I love your man bun. What's the chats? What's good? What's tea tonight? Hello? Hello? Are you dumb? Chris? Are you guys good? Is the flood gone? What's going on in Texas?
Is your forehead good? Is your forehead good? Your forehead bigger than the Milky Way.
You're so funny. You're so funny. Dummy. Why is everybody doing that to me? Like, that's what it feels like to be ugly. Like, hey, Scott, you're so cute.
No, I'm ugly.
No, you're really cute, though.
No.
Okay.
Give me some time then.
Alrighty. I'm not gonna argue with you with that one.
What's up with you?
You want to date? Like, what's going on?
This shit, you gonna show me some what's going on?
I don't think I can do that because I'm a man.
Well, I don't think I could date you then.
Okay. Okay. Because, like, what's up with you, cutie? You my cute. What's up?
What's up?
Why are you looking at me like that? Like, you said what?
Like what, every time?
You was looking at me like, what's the issue? Like,
I know issue, you look good. I'm looking at you like
you're lying, though.
I'm looking at you like I like what I'm looking at.
Oh, really?
Yeah, something like that.
Oh. I couldn't do it. Like, to Bob from Bob Burgers. Hey, Bob. You're cute. Like, you're so cute. Like, I would really date you right now. I really eat you right now. Like, you're so good. Like, y'all, that clip did not skip record. I'm so freaking mad, bro. Like, even though I only talked to 2 people on there, like, he was fine. Like, I could use it for a thumbnail. You feel me? Like, that's so annoying. Like, I do so much for these monkey videos, bro. Y'all need to, like, give credit where it's due. I just want me a zoo. You know, I'm tired of being, you know, the third wheel when I go out. You know. Okay. Hello! Don't hide from me. I'm still here. They running for me like I'm some type of monster. Rude, because they taking this like my screen recording did not like. Hello? You're cute. What's up? Hello? You're cute. What's up? He heard me the first time. Like, it's like, why are you a monkey if you're having a whole conversation? Hey, hey. True. Oh, really? At times, some people run it up. At times, we can run it up. I'm over it. I'm over it. Like, hello? You're mad cute. What's up? You're mad cute. What's up? Like, yeah. It's powder donuts. He the only person that asks. Like, he's cute though. Pablo, what's up? No, because don't do me like that because it's you're cute. What was that for? You're weird. Like, pop the melody, I'm sweating. Woo! I said this shit nice. What's up with you?
What's up with you?
Are you chilling? I'm chilling. So, you know. Can you add time and everything? Hey, what's up with you? You're so cute.
What's good with you, boo?
You cute as hell. Like, what's up?
Hey, ask the time right quick. Where you from?
I'm from New Hampshire. Where you from?
Oh, I'm from Atlanta, Georgia.
Oh, I was just there like 2 hours ago. That's crazy.
Hey, you should have called me.
For real.
Hey, I'm finna come out to New Hampshire, though.
You lying.
You finna show me around?
For sure.
You better. I'm gonna add you. I'm gonna send you my Snapchat.
Okay. Send it. Send me your snap and we can get straight to it. We can talk about it or whatever. We can, you know. What's up?
What's up with you?
You so cute. What's up with you? Like,
You said what?
what's up?
What's up? What's up? Let me get your number.
For sure. Like, I will text it to you. Add me as a friend.
Yep, I'm at the phone.
You like face. He was looking at my lip like, what the I'm just scared of little kids, like. I'm cute. I know. You don't gotta gas me up like that. I know. I'm cute. And you're mad. Like, shut up and suck my. Hey, you are so cute. I'm so weak. Like, it's never that. I do not look that bad. Hey. You're so cute. Are you lying to me? I am not that cute. You're so cute. He said I'm pretty cute. I'm so serious. They keep hanging up on me like it's not that serious. I do not look that bad. Like, You tried it. Try again. Hey, what's up with you? You want to date or what do you want to do? Like, I'm so tired of being single.
That's what I'm saying. So
You said what?
your number then?
You said what?
Can you text me your number then?
For sure. Add me as a friend. Three down, 7 more to go. You're so cute. What's up with you?
What's on your lips?
Nothing's on my lips. So, like, you want to talk about it or what? So cute. Like, I really want to date you. You're so cute. I really want to date you. You're so cute. What's funny?
It looks like you got powdered donuts on your face.
I did though. Ah! I'm telling you, somebody gonna catch on to it. Like, duh. Like, I did though. I just ate powdered donuts. What are you talking about? Hello? Hello? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien, ¿y tú? You're cute. Kiss my lips. First of all, my lips are not crusty. You can cut that out. You're so cute.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. I just ate powdered donuts, so, you know. Yeah. Hey. You're so pretty.
You're so pretty.
Thank you. I like your jacket. Where'd you get it from?
The Adidas store.
That's what's up. Her friend, Loki, trying not to laugh. I'm going to clock her later. I'm going to get her later. It's cool. Hey, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, baby, add some more time. How's your day going?
Baby.
Are you gonna do anything fun today?
I think I'm gonna go walk my cat outside, you know, take it for a good little walk, and then just come home and just finish up my eggs, you know.
What are you wearing?
It's kind of obvious, a sweater. Bye-bye, widow. Hey, Vaughn, what's up with you? Like, you're so cute. You want to date me or what? Hello, I'm lonely. I need somebody to hold at night and give me a kiss when they go to work. What'd you say?
I said it was good.
You said what's good? That's the question I'm asking you though.
I'm asking you like, what?
Tell me, like, I'm just chilling right now, like. I couldn't do it, bro. I'm goofy as heck. Johnny. What's up? You so cute. You're so cute, bro. Oh my god.
They call me Blueface Wayne.
I don't think so. What? Add time. Oh, I was finna get on little boy. True.
Shit, chilling. What's up with you?
I'm just chilling too, you know. Are you gonna add time or what? Oh. So, like, I wanted to know, like, would you ever date me?
Would I ever date you?
Yeah.
I don't know. Is you a freak?
Hey, no, get me copyrighted. I'm gonna start like acting bougie and be like, I'm like just gassing myself up because they won't. cute. What's up with you?
Not much, girl. I like that attitude you got. You just don't right to it, huh?
Yeah, like, why would I not?
Like, yeah, I'm cute. What's up with you? Hell yeah, that's what I like. Hell yeah.
You so stupid, Quan.
Quan. I tell you, that's what they say about Quan. You know, Quan don't play, you know what I mean?
That's your name, right? It ain't gonna be like this, no. Oh, I'm so cute. Like, you're mad. Oh, I'm so cute. What's up with you? You're really cute though. You're really cute.
Oh, thank you. You fine too.
Oh. Oh, I'm so cute. What's up with you? I'm so fucking cute. Like, oh my gosh. I know you heard me. Like, what's up? Hello?
What you said?
I said, what's up? Like,
Hold on, man.
the heck? You're not finna say hold on and talk to your homeboy. What you not finna do? Oh, I'm so cute. What's up? I know, because I know y'all people eat shit. He just looked at me and walked off. Like, oh, I'm so cute. What's up with you?
What's up?
Ooh, you got a Z voice. You cute as hell.
I am.
Yes, duh.
You keep my friend.
I will do it all. Like, I will do it all. Like,
What you mean you gonna do it all?
I couldn't talk to him like that. Like, I'm so freaking cute. What's up?
What up?
So, like, what you doing?
Chill and listen to music. What about you?
That's what's up. I'm finna go walk my cat.
You finna go.
What about you? I'm telling you, they keep doing it to me.
I'm 17.
Oh, wow. You look old. Why do you just do that? He's so weird. Like, hey, Rich, are you rich? You
I
look.
go to a private school, one of the most successful private schools in South Carolina, so yeah.
You look high, but you're cute.
And my mom
You're
and
cute.
dad are getting-
All right, I don't really care about that. I don't care about that. I'm so cute. Like, this is not even funny. I'm so. Like, this is not even. I'm so freaking cute. Like.
Bitch, you.
Are you in the shower? Oh, that's what's up. Y'all going monkey anywhere, bro. Oh, I'm so cute. Like, what the fuck? Like, what's up?
Oh, yeah, what the f***? Yes, you cool as hell.
Like, what's up with you?
Tell her what's good, though. At Tom.
How you said?
You funny as hell. What's your name?
I'm funny. My name is Citrus.
Oh, alright. You sound devious.
I sound devious. What do you mean?
Let me see. Where you from, yo? You from Brooklyn or something?
Yeah.
Captain.
You said what?
Captain, where you from, for real?
New Hampshire. Yeah, I'm sorry I can hang up on them, but I cannot talk. Like, I can keep laughing. Oh, I'm so cute.
Hello?
I'm too cute. What's up with you?
What's up?
Like, what's up?
You too cute. I heard you. You too cute.
I'm so cute.
You don't know where. Hell no, you're not, bro. You're built like the Pillsbury Doughboy.
You don't even see my body with your dumb ass. Shut up.
Bitch, I know you're big as hell.
But I'm not though. So freaking cute though. Like real talk. I'm cute as hell. What's up with you?
Right. It's alright.
I'm so freaking cute. What's up? I'm weak. What? What are y'all?
You're so pretty.
Thank you. You're cute too.
Thank you. Where you from?
I'm from New Hampshire.
For real? How old are you?
I'm 13.
Wait, what? You're 13?
I know people they don't believe it. I'm really 13, but bye. The heck? You gotta be cute for me to talk to you now.
Hey, what up?
No, cause I'm so cute. Like, no, cause I'm so freaking cute. Like, come on now. What's up?
No.
No what? Are you mad? Somebody's mad. Somebody's jealous because I'm so cute. What's up? He's singing to me. Oh my gosh. Girl, come here. He's singing to me. Come here.
What's on your lips?
Guess what? Nah, because I'm so cute. What is funny? Nah, because I'm so cute. Oh, yeah, this is so cute. You're welcome. Huh?
You're beautiful, damn.
Oh, okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below anything you want to comment. Please follow me on Instagram if you are not already following me. And yeah, you guys, this was funny. Like, this was so funny. Hopefully this did not turn out like a long video because it takes like over 3 hours to edit. Comment down below any other monkey videos you want me to do. If you want a part 2 of this, please let me know. And we out. And those can my ask for a shout out. And bye, y'all. Bye.